First things first, start with a fresh face. You don't need foundation because this is your foundation. First, we're gonna take the contour, which is the darkish brownish color, and we're gonna go underneath the cheekbones, around the edges of the face. This is gonna create a really pretty sculpted look. We're gonna go down the neck a little bit and then just around the jawline. Next, we're gonna take it just down the sides of the nose, just lightly, and we're gonna move to the highlight. This highlight you're gonna put underneath your eyes in kind of like a pie piece, down the side of your nose, like where your nostril is, and then up on top of your cheek. Then you're gonna do the chin and then just toward the end of your jaw. And then right underneath your nose. You can go between the brows and then kind of just fan it out onto the forehead. And then I like to highlight underneath my brow with it, and then down the bridge of the nose. Next, you want to use some blush. I'm just going to dab this right in the apples of my cheeks. That's where I love to do my blush, and then just kind of blend it up toward the temple. And I love to use it on my lips as well because it's so easy and it's right there and it's a really pretty color. Finally, you just use a little bit of illuminator just to give you that candlelit glow. Use it right on the top of your cheekbone, and then I like to use it right on my brow bone as well. And to just make it all look perfect and seamless and blend it to perfection, use the perfector in dabbing motions.